Are we recording? Yeah, we're recording. Okay. All right. How you doing, guys? This is Spaz here. We're out on a trip to find one of the tags for the scooter game. A lot of people ask me, it's like, why do you put so much money into that Ruckus? With that money, you could have something else. My answer is, if I wanted to go fast, I would have gotten something fast. I know a lot of people are like, that doesn't make sense, you're dumb. And here we are. Oh God, we're gonna shut down. No, all power lost. Me again. Well, I'm gonna turn here. Act like nothing happened. Blue, blue, blue. Yeah, I'll be doing a little bit of troubleshooting here in a bit, and I guess I will talk to you guys in a few minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. Just gave it the kiss of life and did a little tweaking to the air fuel mixture screw on the carb. Like I said, I'm still testing out different things with it. I don't know if I just need to completely like clean everything or what the deal is, but as of right now, I'm still gonna be doing this little by little. Every now and then I'll break down and I'll do as I did. So going back to what we were talking about, why a Honda Ruckus if you could have spent that money somewhere else and gotten something faster? Well, first of all, when I was in college, there was a group of guys that had them, and I didn't have enough money to buy them then. So whenever I got the opportunity, after I graduated college and had I guess a decently paying job, then I saved up for one, and I found one for a really good deal. I drove about 5 hours to go get it, and on the way back, I mean, it was always in the back of a truck, but my face, I felt like I was a little kid in Christmas. My wife kind of makes fun of me every time we talk about it, just because I was so excited about this little moped. And she gives me crap every now and then about it, just because like it's a slow scooter just like everybody else. Like, why did you buy a slow one? But I really wanted to learn. I wanted to learn things about the mechanics of a motorcycle, and this is a bike that's actually pretty nice and has enough, I guess, following to where the people can, like, you can learn from everybody's experience on forums, as well as learn how to go about changing things, doing new things. They can they're pretty cool about helping people. So why a Honda Ruckus again? The community. Although I know Harley people say that about Harleys, and just Honda Ruckus has their own little community. It's obviously not as big as the Hogs, but they are actually a group of real nice people, really nice. And obviously there's the trolls here and there, but overall you just feel like you're part of something bigger, and something that kind of brings people together. There's obviously not that many people around here yet. I know I've seen a few guys in Honda Groms, but they're the sportier, bigger bike. And I've seen one guy on a Ruckus. I knew he was tuning it because the battery box was off of it, the back part of it, and he was just going down and kind of looking at things and gauges and down at his muffler as he was riding. So I didn't get a chance to like flag him down, see if we can do something, like maybe ride one day, but I know there's people around here that have them, at least one. So I want to be able to do some oh, damn it, not again, you gotta be kidding me. We'll go in here into the repair. Small engine repair, look at that, perfect. Okay, but yeah, so I would like to have some people to ride around, I guess, once I figure all these issues out, and it'd be a nice thing to do. But let me give another kiss of life and figure things out. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. All right, another kiss of life. Another change in the air fuel mixture. Let's see, like I said, this is just trial and error. I don't have a science to it. There's no wideband sensor or anything that I'm using, so it's all just by feel. And like I said, I've never done this before. So hey, we were going? Yeah, we're going. So it's a learning experience. Every turn of the air fuel mixture screw on the carburetor is just a little more learning. And like I said, I'm just kind of trying to get the feel for it. If you guys have any comments or anything, leave them down below. I will read all of them, and I'm willing to try anything right now. But like I said, there's a lot of issues with the stock GYC carb, and because of that, that's where I got the Oko carburetor at the house. I need to just save up some money for the other stuff. I do have a family, it's not just me, so they do come first. Every now and then I do break down when I'm riding the Ruckus, but it's something that I kind of have to deal with until then. It's just, I take it as a learning experience and learn by the feel of it. I do have a tack. It's not a digital, it's kind of like a, well, I guess it is digital, but in an analog way, as you can see. But oh, look at that, cool bikes, fast bikes, probably cheaper than what I have in the Ruckus. I've gotten it plenty of times, especially after people know I broke down. Oh man, you should just sell the Ruckus and buy a reliable bike. It's not my daily driver anymore, so when I do ride it's because I have some extra time. I get some time to tinker with it, have some fun. Like today we're on our way to get a tag from the forum game. So the way it works is somebody picks a place, takes a picture in front of it with the Ruckus or their scooter, actually, in this new forum, since Total Ruckus is no longer, rest in peace. And what they do is you take a picture in front of whatever tag you want, you post it up, and you are in charge of saying what the next challenge will be. That's pretty much how this little forum game goes, and it passes the time, it gets people involved. It's that and what they call the word game, the word association game. So you do a word and then the next person posts the next one, that the next word that comes to mind after seeing that original word. And it allows for people that maybe are not mechanically inclined to just get in on the forum fun, and I guess get other people to see their name pop up every now and then. And once that person that's not really done much to their scooter post something and some help, like they at least have some presence in the forum.
Few inches later,
It's supposed to be doing a synagogue or like a place of worship, and there's this mosque here, so I will be taking a picture here, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay. We got a little bit of a cracking. Alright, let's see, we'll park right here. Take this picture of the insurance place, insurance agency. Post up. Alright, got the picture taken. Now I just need, I did a little adjustment of the, of course, let's see.
12 seconds later.
I have some more, jets for this carb. I mean, I got some back when I was doing the build. I'm not 100% sure if they're for this carb or not, but at this point I'm just trying to get it to work. I want to be able to go on a ride without having to worry about breaking down. So I went away from the super reliable Get engine that, to be honest with you guys, I actually really like the engine, but being my daily driver, not again, you guys gotta kill me. Yeah, the get looks really good now, huh?
20 minutes later.
With that in mind, guys, just keep riding safe out there. Hopefully I'll be seeing more interaction with you guys, and I'll try to answer any comments you guys have down below. This is very new to me, and it's gonna take a while before I get used to talking to myself and editing fast and putting out content. But if you guys bear with me, I promise there's pretty good things coming. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me babbling and slowly getting better, subscribe. I enjoy riding my Ruckus, and I want to take you guys out with me on my trips. So I'll see you guys later. Spaz out.